Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we from the group 5. On this occasion, we will explain the material about application of integral calculus in economics. But before that, I will introduce the members group 5. I am Annisa Tami and Putri Oktaviani. For the first, I will explain material about investment function. We know investment is economic saving or production profit. Part of what is used for activities and services to obtain is to produce goods for the purpose make a profit. While investment function, the demand for inversely proportional to the interest rate with the formula I equal F bracket I equal EO minus P multiply I, where EO equal autonomous investment, I equal interest rate, and while P proportion big I to I. For example, PT Bakriland invests by showing the investment function I equal 250 until 500. I, what is the investment price if the prevailing bank interest in 2020 and in 2012 is 12%? How much investment if the interest rate is 30%? We know investment I equal 250 minus 500 I. If I 12% equal 0.12, then I 250 minus 500 multiply with number in bracket is 0.12 equal 190. If I equal 30% equal 0.30, I multiply with number in bracket is 0.12 equal 190. If I equal 30% equal 0.30, I equal 250 minus 500 equal bracket 0.30 equal 2,250 minus 150 equal 100. Then next material, investment and capital formation. The process of adding to the existing capital stock is referred to as capital formation. If this process is considered to be continuous over time, then the capital stock can be expressed as a function of time K bracket T, and the current level of the capital formation can be expressed like this.
Consumer surplus. Consumer surplus reflects an excess profit or surplus enjoyed by certain consumers with respect to the market price level of an item. The demand function P equals FK shows that the amount of an item that consumers will buy at a certain price level. If the market price level is PE, then for certain consumers who are actually able and willing to pay a higher price than PE, this will be an advantage for him because he only needs to pay for the goods with PE. This kind of excess profit is called consumer surplus. Geometrically, the amount of consumer surplus is indicated by the area under the demand curve but above the market price level. Next, producer surplus. Pre-production surplus reflects an excess profit or surplus enjoyed by a particular producer with respect to the market price level of the goods it offers. The supply function P equals FG shows the quantity of an item that producer will sell at a certain price level. If the market price level is PE, then for certain producers who are actually willing to sell at a lower price than PE, this will be an advantage for him, because he can now sell his goods at the price PE or higher than the original planned selling price. This kind of excess profit is called pre-manufacturing surplus. Geometrically, the size of the producer surplus is indicated by the area above the supply curve but below the market price level. That's all about our discussions. Thanks for your attention, guys. Goodbye and good luck.